Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best LEGO Robotics kits are probably one of the most exciting and educational ways for builders of all ages to dive into the world of engineering, programming, and creative problem-solving, offering a unique blend of hands-on construction with the thrill of bringing your own creations to life through code. These versatile kits empower users to design, build, and then program robots to perform a variety of tasks, fostering critical thinking and a deeper understanding of how technology works in a fun and engaging manner, making them an ideal choice for aspiring innovators and curious minds alike. Number 5. JITTERYGIT Robot Building Toy SnabGlider. Unleash your creativity with this amazing building set. You can construct a cool robot, a powerful vehicle, or even a classic animal. The possibilities are endless. Add a unique touch to your creations with special glow-in-the-dark stickers. Make your robot, truck, or animal toy light up for awesome nighttime adventures. Looking for a gift that inspires and entertains? This set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, providing hours of engaging fun for kids who love to build and imagine. Keep everything organized with the included storage box. It's perfect for storing all the pieces and taking your building adventures on the go, wherever you roam. This building toy offers countless hours of entertainment and educational fun. It's designed to spark imagination and develop engineering skills through interactive play. Crafted from sturdy, non-toxic plastic, this toy is built to last and safe for small hands. It can withstand even the most enthusiastic play sessions. What we like. This kit offers incredible versatility with its ability to transform into multiple forms, including robots, vehicles, and animals. The inclusion of glow-in-the-dark stickers adds a unique customization element for imaginative play. If you're looking for a toy that sparks creativity and provides hours of build and rebuild fun with easy cleanup, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This kit is a fantastic introduction to robotics and programming for kids. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The robot can be programmed to perform various tasks, which is great for learning coding concepts. Number 4. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Underwater Robot 31090. Get ready for endless building adventures with this incredible 3-in-1 set. You can construct 3 different amazing models from a single box of bricks. Dive into imaginative play with the detailed underwater robot. It's equipped with flexible joints, a special viewing dome, and versatile mechanical hands for exploring the ocean floor. But the fun doesn't stop there. You can transform it into a powerful submarine with a manipulator arm, or a treasure-hunting underwater crane. The robot features realistic mechanical hands, including a drill, claw, and grabber, perfect for any underwater mission. Its large feet are designed for navigating the seabed. With 207 pieces, this set is perfect for builders aged 7 and up. It offers a fantastic building experience for LEGO fans of all ages. Combine it with other LEGO sets to unlock even more creative possibilities. Let your imagination run wild and build anything you can dream of. What we like. This set provides 3 distinct building experiences, focusing on underwater exploration with a robot, manta ray, and submarine or crane. The detailed underwater robot features flexible joints for dynamic posing. If you love aquatic adventures and enjoy building and rebuilding different themed models, this LEGO Creator set is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of sensors and motors that allow for complex programming in creative building. The software is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to learn and experiment with coding. The build quality is excellent, with durable pieces that snap together securely for robust creations. Number 3. LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox 17101. Introducing the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox, a fun and engaging way to introduce kids to the exciting world of coding and robotics. It's the perfect blend of building and learning. With over 847 pieces, you can build and rebuild 5 unique, multifunctional models. This set is designed for curious minds aged 7 to 12 who love to explore science and technology. Bring your creations to life. Code Vernie the robot to dance, play music on the Guitar 4000, or interact with Frankie the cat. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. Equipped with the latest technology, including color, distance, and tilt sensors, these robots can interact with their environment in amazing ways. Get ready for a truly dynamic experience. This award-winning STEM toy makes learning fun and accessible. It's designed to foster curiosity and develop problem-solving skills through hands-on activities. To bring your creations to life, a compatible tablet or mobile phone is required, but not included. Ensure your device supports Bluetooth 4.1 or newer for the best experience. What we like. This kit is an excellent introduction to coding and robotics, allowing kids to build and program 5 different models. It integrates essential tech like color, distance, and tilt sensors for interactive learning. If you're looking for a toy that combines hands-on building with educational coding, fostering STEM skills in a fun and engaging way, this is the ideal option. What people say. The kit is great for learning programming concepts. The motors and sensors are versatile and allow for many different creations. The building instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 2. Makeblock mBot STEM Coding Robot. Introducing the Makeblock mBot, an entry-level coding robot designed to make learning electronics, robotics, and programming fun and simple for kids ages 8 to 12. It's the perfect way to start their STEM journey. This easy-to-build kit comes with clear instructions, allowing children to assemble it in under 15 minutes. While building, they'll gain hands-on experience with essential electronic and robotic components. With comprehensive tutorials and coding cards, kids can learn programming step by step, transitioning from scratch to Arduino. They can create their own projects and explore its many functions. Utilize our free Makeblock apps and mBlock software for remote control, engaging programming games, and coding challenges. It can even function as a remote-controlled car with line following and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Surprise your child with this durable, metal robot kit. It's an awesome educational gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, sparking curiosity in programming and electronics. This open-source robot is designed for endless creativity. It's compatible with over 100 electronic modules and 500 Makeblock parts, plus LEGO bricks, allowing for limitless expansion and customization. What we like. This robot is designed for learning to code through Scratch and Arduino, making it accessible for beginners. It's quick to assemble and offers a platform for further expansion with add-on packs. If you want a robot that teaches programming fundamentals with a clear learning path and the potential for advanced customization, this is a great starting point. What people say. The kit is a great introduction to robotics and programming for kids. It allows for building various models and learning basic coding concepts. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the building process enjoyable. Number 1. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey with this 12-in-1 space building kit. It's packed with 566 pieces to construct amazing spacecraft. Discover the wonders of space as you build. This set helps children learn about different vehicles and sparks their curiosity about the universe. Engage in exciting hands-on activities that boost creativity and imagination. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. With clear instructions, building your space fleet is a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free construction and dive into your own space missions. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these blocks are built to last. They are also washable for easy cleanup. Surprise the young adventurer in your life with this educational gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 6 and up. What we like. With 566 pieces, this set allows for the construction of 12 different space-themed vehicles, encouraging learning about aerospace. It's designed to facilitate quality time between parents and children through building. If you're seeking a STEM toy that promotes learning about space exploration and offers a rewarding building experience to share with your child, this is an excellent gift. What people say. The kit is an excellent introduction to robotics and programming for kids. It offers a good balance of building and coding challenges, making learning engaging. The included sensors and motors are versatile and allow for a wide range of creative projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.